One of the most common requirements in Qlik Sense is showing the last 12 months of data without manually updating filters every month. In this video, I will show you how to create a dynamic last 12 months filter that automatically updates based on today's date. This approach is useful for dashboard, KPI reporting, and executive scorecard, where users always want to see the most recent 12 months of data. For this demonstration today, I have created a simple Qlik Sense app using sample sales data. The app contains a KPI showing total sales, a bar chart showing sales by month, and a year-month field that we will use for filtering. The goal here is to automatically display the current month plus the previous 11 months without requiring manual maintenance. Let me show you the data set. The data set contains monthly sales from January 2025 through June of 2026. Notice that we have a month date field and a year month field. This is very important because using a proper date field it allows us to perform dynamic date calculation. In many dashboards, developers manually select months or update filters every month. The problem with that approach is that it requires ongoing maintenance. As new months are added, somebody has to remember to update the filter. A dynamic solution eliminates that maintenance completely. One of the ways I accelerate development is by using ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to generate a starting point for expression like this. AI can save time, but it is still important to validate the logic before using it in production. Let's explain the logic here. Before we explain the logic, you can see the data is showing, is displaying data from July 2025 through June 2026. That's 18 months of data. Now, let's look at the result once we apply our expression. Let's explain the logic. Section 1 is today. It returns the current system date. This expression right here, this is that it returns the current system date. What I call section 2 is the add month today. This one right here. It moves back 11 months from today's date. The month start date, this one right here, it returns the first day of the month, creating the beginning of our 12-month window. And then the month end today, it's simple, identify the end of the current month and create that upper boundary of the filter. Together, this calculation create a ruling 12-month date range that update automatically as times move forward. You can see the result below here. July 2025 all the way to June 2026. Let's see the result. Since today's date is June of 2026, the dashboard automatically displays data from July 2025 through June 2026. Notice that the older months outside the ruling 12-month window are excluded automatically. The bar chart is displaying monthly sales data because we are using a dynamic last 12 months filter. Qlik automatically calculate a ruling 12-month window based on today's date. The important thing is that no manual selection is required. As time moves forward, the day range automatically shifts forward as well. For example, if I open this dashboard next month, the filter will automatically adjust to include August 2025 through July 2026. This ensures that the user always sees the most recent 12 months of data without requiring dashboard maintenance. The benefits of this approach are straightforward. First, there are no money update required. Second, report remain current automatically. Third, it improves the user experience because users always see the most relevant data. And finally, it reduces maintenance effort for dashboard developers. To recap, we just created a dynamic last 12 months filter using set analysis and date functions in Qlik Sense. The result is a dashboard that automatically shows the current month and previous 11 months without any manual intervention. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Qlik Sense tips, dashboard development techniques, and AI Power BI workflow tutorials. Thanks for watching.